Good morning, everyone. So Karina, Fabi, around here one more time, just to give you a heads up with more educational content that it might be useful for you. And just a quick view of the ebook and what are you going to expect. As you know, the original channel, YouTube channel that I have is over here, which is specifically Spanish content only. So for the last, I'm going to say, few months, maybe 6 months, I've been working on just educational content for the other YouTube channel. But in this one right here, you're going to find also English information. Okay, so I just want to give you how you can find that information on this channel. And you go to watch my trading, you're going to see that it has more subscribers, more users. And then on the search part over the channel, you're gonna type on English, and then you're gonna find right there all the English content that's gonna be very, very helpful for you. Okay, so you go to watch my training, like I said, you click here, and then you type in English, and you're gonna see 14 open presentations that of course are just a brief of the videos that I'm uploading here. And then you have, many other uh, videos that are gonna be really helpful for you. All right, so that's for the channel that is in Spanish, but again, you might also find useful information with the English content, okay? Now, in terms of the book, some of you guys have been already buying the ebook, and, just so you know, make sure that you know what are you gonna be using, how you're gonna be using this ebook, okay? So you're gonna find the presentation like this, price action for all. I'm saying this because I noticed some people are really trying to get into cryptocurrency. And, cryptocurrency many times is just not a transparent, regulated market, because it's not. We all know that it's not a regulated market. So I'm not into cryptocurrency. I don't trade cryptocurrency. You might find it a little bit difficult to apply price action into cryptocurrency because of manipulations of the market. Okay, so make sure that if you're going to use price action, you have to go for futures, commodities, forex, those markets that are transparent and regulated in many countries. All right, so that's one thing. And then you want to go to the map price, the map price of the instrument that you want to be trading. Okay, so you find here the map price of euro dollar, the map price of the pound dollar, the map price of gold, map price of dollar yen. And with the theory, you are going to be able for yourself to set up the map price of any instrument you want. This is only the theory. This is only to frame how you start working on the prices with your instruments that you are going to be able to be trading with. Okay, so you can do this with the NASDAQ, S&P 500, any instrument, any index. Those markets are fine with price action, but I want to make sure that you don't want to be applying price action with cryptocurrency one more time, because it's not a transparent market. You don't know what's going to happen the next day. Okay, and that is not something that you want to be dealing with when you are already in the market. Okay, on the next few videos, we're going to talk individually on euro, dollar, pound, dollar, gold, dollar, yen, whatever you are interested in working on. Okay, now in terms of fundamentals, it implies more content, more education, how to trade fundamentals. In my experience, I've been working in fundamentals for the past 13, 14 years, and that's what I like the most. I really, really like to trade on data, on information that is to be doing, those high impact informations. But not everything that you're going to see in the calendar is high impact. You have to make sure that you know what to be trading. Okay, so for that, I have my own calendar. I every Sunday I just select every information that's going to be high impact for me, because I know what I'm looking for in the market. Okay, make sure that you know what to expect from the market with the information, and not the opposite. Many times I've seen traders with no experience that you want to be trading every single move that you see in the market, and that's not really the way to go. You have to make sure that you know what you're looking for, what opportunity is that is setting up the frame for you to trade. Okay, we're going to talk about more about it in the next few videos. Just I want to make sure that you know what instruments to be applying price action. And of course, we're going to be talking about brokers. Okay, what brokers are useful for price action, you know, in terms of regulation. I'm not talking specifically any particular broker, but regulation, it is very important for you. Okay, so you don't want to be trading with brokers that are not respecting your prices, not respecting, you know, what you see in the markets, because it happens. You know, it happens that not regulated brokers versus regulated brokers is a huge difference when it comes to price action. Okay, so in the next video, I want to make sure that you know, for example, news, and then so forth. We're going to be talking about more information so you can apply perfectly the price action system. Okay, so until the next video, bye bye.